Listen, give me a minute here. So basically what's happening is my camera has refused to function, so I'm just going to do this using my phone. I've seen people use their phones and the content is actually nice. End of this challenge, so I'm going to do the I tried following a blank YouTuber makeup tutorial or something. So I'm just going to use one from JOANNA KINUTHIA and just put on makeup, and apparently right now it's not apparently, but it's 10:35 on a Friday night. Then we got to work at home. So let's start.
Actually going ahead to prime my face with the NIVEA men's aftershave because I have been loving it.
So first she's priming her face, and she's using the NIVEA aftershave bulb. I don't have that, but I have something that's similar. It's a cleanser by FARMASI, and it has, I believe it has the same like texture. I've already moisturized my skin. Okay, so she has already moved on to foundation. She is using the black OPAL foundation, and she did a fast forward for that. So I'm going to use also the black OPAL foundation in Truly Topaz, but I'm going to mix it with Maybelline the shade 360, and I'm also going to fast forward through this foundation. And yeah, just going to do that very fast. What up? Wait a minute, she has already started highlighting. Okay, so for highlighter, from her description box, she used the LA Girl concealer, and I'm going to use the same but in a different shade. So for her, she used the fawn shade. And how is she applying it? Let's go back. Okay, so for my under eye, I never go that hard with a highlighter. I just put it around here, and yeah, so for her, she's like from here to here, so we're going to do the same like that, I believe. Oh, I'm gonna be so bright. And then down the bridge of her nose. So for me, I usually highlight under my eyes, especially where my eye bags are, and my forehead and the corners of my mouth and below my nose. That's a lot of highlights. Because you're following someone's tutorial, you're just going to do exactly what they're doing. And then she took a beauty blender and blended it out. So I'm going to take mine, which is already damp. I hope hers is also damp. So twende kazi. I feel like I look white, but you're going to make it work. You're going to make it work. See, I'm going to make it work. Okay. All right. So next, she's baking, and from what she put down on her description bar, she said she's baking with the Sasha Buttercup. I don't have that, and I'm using the W7 banana powder. And she's baking under her eyes, exactly where she highlighted it, and here. I never bake my highlight like this, but and also she baked on her cupid's bow. Never did that. So listen, when it comes to baking, how I normally bake, I don't leave the powder on under my eyes. I actually press it down and make sure that there's no excess powder. Look like I'm sniffing, but yeah. So after baking, oh, while we're waiting for it to bake, we're going to contour our face. Listen, I never cream contour ever. I always use a powder to contour. So this is going to be hard for me. I never ever use a liquid foundation or a concealer to contour, and I don't have a, do I have a foundation that's okay? So because she's using a foundation to contour her face, I'm going to get a dark foundation and do the same. So hold on 1 second as I get my foundation to contour. Okay, right, so how are we going to contour? So I'm using the foundation from Maybelline in the shade 365. So from ear to mouth. Sorry, our dogs are acting up. Right, so, oh, we're blending with a beauty blender. Jesus Christ. Oh, thank God we're going to go back with a brush. Okay, so let me just dab. Dab. It's so messy. It's supposed to blend going like upwards, not downwards. Upwards and not downwards. Do I look crazy? I don't know. So after this, you're just going to brush off. Okay, I have it. So we're going to set the contour with a darker shade. Okay, so after we've set the contour, we're going to chisel our jawbone. we're going to highlight our jawbone, our jaw area, our piece above the jawline, below the cheeks. Is it like that? So after that, straight to eyebrows. She's using the Davis eye pencil. Hey girl, hold on 1 second please. Hold on 1 second please. This is going to be rather hard. Bam. Shining, yeah. Out of this money. And now we're going to highlight under our brow. That's something that I do. That's something that I actually do. Where's my concealer? And she's using a flat brush. Thank God, because there are people who usually highlight like below and above their eyebrow. Thank God Joanna doesn't do that, because I feel like sometimes it's just too much. Down my eyebrows. Let's go to the next.
My face is baking. I have done my eyebrows.
Guys, my face is baking and I'm feeling it dry.
Like the fun part, which is now the eyeshadow, which is I believe why you are watching this video right now. So the first thing, of course, I'm going to do is to put primer all
very important.
And primer being concealer.
And she's blending with her finger.
Because it's important to have a good base.
Wait,
I'm going ahead to set that concealer with some powder, just so that.
And then we're going to set that with the powder. That's what she said.
The eyeshadow palette I'm going to be using is this one that I think was created by God himself.
Mine doesn't have all the shades. There was an accident and a death in the family, and we lost a few members. This one and this one.
I'm going to start off with my transition shade, and this one here is the one I'm going for.
This one here is the one we're going for. I've never used that shade. Okay, so this is why I've never used this shade, because it's just gray on my face. This brown shade. Okay, have I blended nicely? Me too.
To go, let me show you guys the order I'm going to go in. For this, I'm going to take this one here. Then after this one, I'm going to go in with this one.
The one that I don't have.
This one, I'm going to deepen in with this one. So we want something like gradual. And then I'm going to put this as my lid shade. So I'm starting off
kidogo
this shade.
So I'm just going to fast forward through that because we basically know what you're doing. Just make sure that everything is blended. I know you guys can't see because of my camera, but from what I'm seeing from my mirror, my lid shade looks nice, and I have some fallout. Oh my god. And my under eyes are just suffering, they're so dehydrated. So we're going to get a flat brush. Right, this shade right here, this one, I'm just going to dig and get it from the inner corners. Oh, I forgot, there's going to be some lashes. Oh my god, eyelashes, oh my god. Right, so I'm going to put on some eyelashes and I'm going to come and show you guys. I feel like that will be the worst part for me. When I tell you that putting on eyelashes is the hardest thing ever, trust me. These eyelashes are so frustrating.
Okay guys, so I went
and then she set her face.
And way too much setting spray as usual, and I'm going to go ahead and highlight. See,
what did I just tell you? Okay, you know what, I tried and yeah, we're just going to skip the eyelashes. So I'm just going to put on my mascara and I'm just going to be heavy with my mascara. I was not supposed to wait for the setting spray to dry, was I? So I'm going to highlight. She didn't say which highlighter she used, and I'm not using a fan brush because mine is jacked up. Let's address the elephant in the room. What the hell happened here? You're fine. You're fine. You're fine. Put the nose and the cupid's bow. So I actually like highlighting with this palette from HUDDAH because these shades right here are just amazing for highlighting. They're so creamy. I'm just going to use my NOUBA 46 and my NOUBA 48. So almost done.
Cue the poses showing the makeup.
Cue the poses showing the makeup. Oh, it's a slow motion, which is very awkward. Okay, final thoughts. I was a bit out of my comfort zone. So basically, there's some of the things that she did that I don't do, like contour and bake for that long, and also put on eyelashes. I don't do that very well, but I'm okay with it. Pia wewe kama eyelashes zimekulemea usijali. Uko peke yako. I hope you liked this video, even though I used my camera to shoot it. Most people do actually. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you liked this video, and don't forget to leave a thumbs up and a comment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. So let me get this makeup off and go to bed. And I'll see you guys next time when I upload. Bye. Immediately I did this makeup. Oh wait, you should pause this. Immediately I did this makeup, I took some flash tests, and I'm just going to insert them somewhere around here. And okay, I actually feel like it looks nice, but the baking though, but I actually don't hate it. I like it. And the glow, honey. Anyway, okay, bye for real, bye.